How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to record job-wise expenses in Zoho. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So as you guys can see here, there's a guide provided by Zoho themselves on how you can actually do this, and it's quite simple and straightforward. So stick around till the end of the video, so I can talk about the steps and the things that you guys need to do. So how can you manually record an expense on Zoho? So once you guys have logged in, you want to navigate to the dashboard and click on the expenses module. So this can be found on the left-hand side bar of the screen, somewhere around here, and you want to click on add a new expense, so the plus new expense button. So this one can be found on the top right corner next to the plus icon and next to the expenses module on the left. So from here on out, you're going to basically follow the on-screen instructions and fill up the necessary details such as the date, category, and the amount that you want to go with. Now, from here, you want to upload receipts if there are any. Mark the checkbox near personal if you've incurred a personal expense, and then check the claim reimbursement box right there. Make sure to have this box ticked if you want reimbursement for the amount that you're spending. And next, you're going to mark it as billable if you guys want to bill the expense to your customers. So next, you want to choose the customer that you want to bill from the customer drop-down menu, and then select a report from the add to report drop-down to add this expense to an existing report or to add it as a new report. So there you have it. And another thing is that you can include employees or contact people to the expense from the attendees drop-down. Even relevant tags are something you can add to this record. And once that's done, click save and close, and you guys should be good to go. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.